My name is Kazi. I am in 4th standard. My school name is Haji Ghulam Mohammad Azam Semi English Primary School. I would like to speak in few words about Mahatma Gandhi. The complete name of Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and the people also call him Bapu affectionately. Bapuji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putli Bai. Wife was Kasturba Gandhi. He got qualified as a lawyer in England. He launched the Satyagraha movement against Britishers and started another movement called Quit India. Movement was started by him in 1942, which force is produced to leave our country. He worked for social issues of caste and gender. He killed on 1948 by Nathuram Godse. If I made mistake, then forgive me. Thank you for listening. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Thank you.